Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy Sams and I am here today to talk to you about why buying with cash may not be the best option in today's market. Stay tuned. Okay, so there's a lot of people who are like, I would rather pay cash. I don't have to worry about the bank. I don't have to worry about anything. Make sense? Yeah, maybe, maybe not. So let's look at it. So the first reason why it might not be the best idea is because of time. How long is it going to take you to save 100,000, 200,000, 300,000? Is it a year? Is it 2 years? Is it 3 years? Is it 4 years? Time is not your friend. Reason number 2, lost equity. By waiting 1 to 2 or 3 or 4 years, you've missed out on the opportunity to buy that asset at today's price. And so you will lose the equity and appreciation that will increase. Reason number 3, we're going to say that you waited 5 years to save, right? So in January 2018, if you'd have purchased an existing property in South Carolina, it would have only cost you $259. If you had taken out a loan 5% down, your loan amount would have been $249,050 at an average interest rate of 4%. That means your payment would have been $1,189. That doesn't look good enough? Okay. Well, the properties cost $349 now. So you had a total loss of equity of $90,000. Your interest cost over that 4 years was $38,427.18, but you also gained equity of $18,644.82, meaning your total loss of equity by waiting 5 years was $108,644.82. But you did have some expenses. So let's look at that. Minus the $38,000, your total net loss $70,217.64.